Hey guys, it's Brooke, and I took the afternoon off, and it's the mischievous smile again on my face. So I'm going to start doing some cleanup in the garden because I haven't done that yet, but I need to start. So first thing I'm going to tackle are the 2 beds on each side of the driveway. I'm going to weed them. I'm going to get the debris out, and I need to go get some black trash bags, and then I'll bag that stuff up, and then I'll go on to the next thing. I do need to get some mulch. I think I need like 20 cubic yards. So, but more on that later. So for right now, I'm going to set up the camera and get going. Okay guys, so this side, I didn't show you the other side because the electrician was still here and I was waiting for him to leave and he took his good sweet time. But over here, this section didn't have as weeds as bad as the other side, except for down here because I had somebody who did a little bit of cleanup for me and they just threw all kinds of dirt in there and that dirt had all kinds of weeds. So I need to get a hard rake and smooth that out. You know, that stalk, it looks so nasty because it was there from last year. I found a lot of things overwintering, like this right here are snapdragons, and I ripped out a bunch of things I realized were little cosmos seedlings, but I'm going to plant more of those, so it's not a big deal. I got to smooth all this out, and then I'm going to put a nice thick layer of black mulch down, and I think that'll, you know, solve, it'll look a lot neater. So I want to pull out I have like a lawn vacuum, but it looks like it's going to rain and it's electric, so obviously I don't want to get electrocuted. So what I think I'm going to do is I think I'm going to go to Lowe's because I need to get a hard rake. And actually, you know what? I'm going to pull those weeds because those weeds are really annoying me right now. And then I'm going to go to Lowe's. Okay, I'll check with you guys later. Okay guys, so I pulled up all the weeds on the side going down the street, so now it's all nice and tidy. I see a few pieces I missed. And now I'm going to go get the ones on that side, and then I'm going to go to Lowe's. I keep saying that. Hey, Poochie Woochie. What's the matter? Huh? You're all right. You okay? Aren't you enjoying time outside with Mommy? Yeah. Oh, now you're going to act all, now you're going to be all coy with me? And like, I'm not going to look at you nasty, you're over here. You're such a funny little dog. You know that?